Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the system updates are installed and your library is backed up. This protects data while you fix iTunes. First, copy the iTunes Media folder and library. It'll to an external drive. Next, quit iTunes and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules that may block installers. Once done, run the official iTunes installer as administrator on Windows, or use the App Store/Apple software update on Mac OS to initiate the repair or reinstall process. You now focus on core components. Let the installer repair corrupted files, then verify Apple Mobile Device Service is running on Windows or that Apple services are active on Mac OS. If using Windows, update or reinstall device drivers through Device Manager so your iPhone or iPad is recognized. Next, reset iTunes preferences by moving the plist files and clear caches to remove stale data. Make sure to reconnect your device only after services are confirmed active to avoid connection errors. You finish by testing functionality. Sync a single song and play media to confirm imports and playback are fixed. Then re-enable antivirus and firewall, ensuring iTunes has network permissions for Apple services. If problems persist, collect iTunes and system logs, then perform a clean reinstall, remove iTunes and related components in the required order and reinstall fresh. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices still fail to connect, try a different USB cable or port. Faulty hardware often mimics software faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.